In this video, I'm going to show you how to send offer letters automatically, saving you time and ensuring you're never behind on your hiring process again. If you've ever struggled with manually sending out offer letters or wanted a more efficient way to streamline your workflow, stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up automatic offer letter sends with minimal effort. Let's jump straight into it. First, why bother with automating your offer letters? Well, if you're hiring for multiple roles or managing a high volume of candidates, manually sending out offer letters can quickly become overwhelming. This software I'll be showing you today simplifies that process by automating the entire thing, from drafting the letter to sending it at the perfect time. I've tested several popular software solutions to find the most reliable and user-friendly option for sending offer letters automatically, and I'll walk you through the setup process now. The first step is choosing the right software. We're going to use a tool that integrates seamlessly with your email and HR system. Once you've set up your account and connected it to your email system, you'll be able to create templates for your offer letters. And trust me, creating templates is a game changer. Instead of writing the letter from scratch every time, you just need to fill in a few key details, like the candidate's name, position, and salary. Once you've created your offer letter template, you'll need to set up automation rules. Here's where it gets really easy. You can define triggers for when the offer letter should be sent. For example, you could set it up so that the offer letter is automatically sent as soon as a candidate passes the final interview stage, or when they're marked as hired in your HR system. Next, let's talk about personalization. Automation doesn't have to mean generic. With this software, you can set dynamic fields in your offer letter template. That means every offer letter will be personalized with the candidate's name, position, and other relevant details. It's like you're sending a personal letter, but without lifting a finger each time. Now, here's a tip. Make sure to test everything before going live. Send a test offer letter to yourself, check the formatting, and make sure all the details are coming through correctly. After testing, you're ready to let the automation do the heavy lifting. Another bonus is tracking. Once your offer letter is sent, you'll get updates on whether it was opened, clicked, or even responded to. This makes it super easy to follow up with candidates who haven't taken action yet. Remember, if you want to follow along and try this out for yourself, I've partnered with the software provider to offer an exclusive free trial for my viewers. Just check the link in the description below to get started with that. The key takeaway from today's video is this. Automating your offer letters saves you time and ensures consistency, letting you focus on more important parts of the hiring process. Quick recap. Create a template for your offer letters. Set up automation triggers. Personalize each letter using dynamic fields, and make sure to test before going live. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.